Jai Hind. Now we are getting start the chapter interest in the mathematics. That will be first video in English version. First we see the definition of simple interest and other related definition of this chapter. First we see simple interest means first definition we see principal. प्रिंसिपल क्या होता है, सबसे पहली चीज़ इसमें ये जानने की है. तो हमने बताया कि द मनी बोरोड और लेंट आउट फॉर अ सर्टेन टाइम. जो भी मनी या जो भी धन उधार लिया जाता है या उधार दिया जाता है उस कितने टाइम के लिए, सर्टेन टाइम के लिए, एक निश्चित समय के लिए, उसको हम कहते हैं प्रिंसिपल. क्या कहते हैं बोलो? प्रिंसिपल. इज मनी इज नोन एज प्रिंसिपल. ठीक. सेकेंड डेफिनेशन इज इंटरेस्ट. इंटरेस्ट डिफाइंस एक्स्ट्रा मनी पेड विद बोरोड मनी. जो आपने मनी दी थी, जो आपने उधार पैसा दिया था, जो आपने उधार पैसा लिया था, उधार लेना और उधार देना बोरोड, उधार लेना लेंट. क्लियर है? तो उधार देना और लेने के बाद में जो एक्स्ट्रा मनी आपको मिली, एक्स्ट्रा मनी पेड विद बोरोड मनी इज नोन एज इंटरेस्ट. क्लियर होगी इतनी बात? नाउ वी आर SI simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. We know already P is identified to the principal, R is rate and T for time. Okay, SI stand for simple interest. Clear?
Yes.
There are four things you are looking here. First is simple interest, second is principal, third is rate and fourth is time. There will be three things will be given in your question and one is rest that will be found by you. Clear? कितनी चीज़ें दी? फोर में से तीन चीज़ दी होंगी, एक चीज़ पूछ रहा होगा आपसे कोई भी. तो you can apply this formula and you by using this you can easily find out of your questions, of your answer. Okay? SI equal to PRT upon 100. By this formula we can find the value of P. So SI into 100 upon R into T. कोई दिक्कत? Next, we can find the value of time, then P into R, SI into 100 upon PR. By using this we can find easily the value of time, SI into 100 upon PR. Clear? Then first we see the first question of this chapter in English. Get start?
Yes.
Question number 1.
Find the simple interest on 500 rupees.
Find the simple interest. What is the requirement of this question? Find the simple interest means SI find out. First we SI is question mark. Simple interest on rupees 500. What is the value of 500? P. P is given in this question. Now P is equal to rupees 500 at 10% per annum. Okay. Now rate is given 10% per annum. 10% per annum. Right? Per annum we can write in the short form PA. Per annum. Clear?
For 3 years.
For 3 years. And time is given 3 years. So SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. There are three values is given in this problem, but SI we will find by using the formula. We know very well SI equal to PRT upon 100. So when put the value of P is 500 and rate is 10%, time is 3 years upon 100. We cut 20 and 5 10s are 50, 53 are 150. Your answer is 150. That is simple interest, which was the requirement of this question. Write down to copy this one. Can I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Now we see the question number 2. What is question number 2?
At what rate percent?
At what rate percent means?
So rate
It was asking the rate, value of rate. R is question mark.
per annum bill simple interest of 600 rupees.
Simple interest of 600 rupees means P. Simple interest of 600 rupees. Value of P is 600 rupees
For 10 years.
for 10 years and time is 10 years.
B 120 rupees.
B
Bill simple interest of 600 rupees
G.
for 10 years.
B rupees 120. That is, in this problem 120 is the simple interest, है ना, on principal of rupees 600. Then SI equal to rupees 150 is given. So that's simple. By using this, SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. SI is 120, P 600, R find out, and T is given 10 years upon 100. Now we cut the value of 0 numerator to denominator. 6 2 ja 12. We can got here 20. 0 is cut 0. R is 2%. 2% is the rate which is the requirements of this problem. 2 question has completed already. Now we can see the third problem. Have you copied this?
Yes, sir.
Now question number 3.
Find the principal.
Find the principal means value of P we can find in this problem. P
For which simple interest
for which simple interest?
is 280.
For which
Simple interest is 280.
280. What is the value of 280?
Simple interest
SI. Simple interest is given already.
at the rate of 7% per annum
Rate 7% per annum
for 4 years.
for 4 years. Time is given, very simple. For 4 years. Try this by yourself. You can't do, then I will ask. Then I will solve this one on the board.
1,000 rupees.
This problem is answered 1000 rupees. SI 280 is equal to P, find out, R 7%, time is 4 year upon 100. 7 4 जा 28 और 28 10 जा 200 बिल्कुल सही आंसर है. देन P की वैल्यू आ गई आपकी कितनी बोलो 1000 रुपीज. द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ दिस रुपीज 1000. Anybody have any problem? Then ask with me. Now question number 4.
1,500 rupees is given.
1500 rupees is the value of principal, is the value of money which is given borrowed or lent out for a person, then P is
1500
1500 rupees.
rupees. At rate of 6% per annum.
Rate 6% per annum
For 5 years.
for 5 years. Time is given 5 years.
How much will amount be at last of duration?
How much will amount let after
Last of duration.
last of duration? Clear? Amount we can find amount A. So first we find the value of the simple interest. After that we can add into the principal, so that we can find the value of the amount. So SI is equal to 1500 into 6 into 5 upon 100 0. 15 6 ja 150, 155 ja 750. Rupees 750 is SI. Right or wrong? 15 6 ja हाँ 450. सॉरी कितना आएगा बोलो? 450 is the simple interest. Now we add in the principal. Amount is equal to principal plus SI. 1500 plus 450 we get 1950. That's your answer. 1950. Next question. Question number 5th. Can I rub? Next, 5th number question.
In how many years?
In how many years? First we find the value of the year. First we find the value of the time, means T. Time is identified T. T is question mark.
Will simple interest be 150?
Simple interest is given is 150.
If 500 rupees is lent out.
500 rupees lent out means 500 rupees is the value of the principal
At the rate of 5%.
and rate is 5% per annum. Any problem?
No, sir.
Now we are using SI is equal to PRT upon 100. SI, the value of SI is given 150. We put it in this formula and calculate by it. 5% into time is find out upon 100. 10 is cut numerator to denominator, and this also cut. 5 5 ja 5 3 ja 15, 5 6 ja 30. Time is 6 year. Time is 6 year. Have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Question number next 6 or 7? 6.
A money amount 650.
A money amount 650. What is the value of 650 in this question? Amount. A money amount 650 at the rate of
3% per annum.
yes, A is given 650
At the rate of 3% per annum.
at the rate of 6%,
3%.
3% per annum
In 10 years.
in 10 years. Time is given 10 years.
Find the money.
Find the money. Then what is the value of the P, which is borrowed to or lent by others? Right? SI is not given in this problem. So we know very well that SI equal to A minus P, amount minus principal. So the value of A minus P is besides SI. So 650 minus value of P is equal to P into R. 3% time is given 3 year upon 100. By solving this, 650 into 10, 6500 minus 10p is equal to 3p. 10p plus 3p, 6500 is equal to 13p. 13 5 ja 65, 500. The value of money is 500. It's your answer. No, 650 is multiply 10 to get 6500, and same p is multiply 10 then minus 10p. Rough. Next question.
A sum of money becomes 3 upon 2 of itself.
A sum of money becomes 3 upon 2 of itself. First be let the value of p equal to 100 rupees. Let the principal be equal to rupees 100, then amount will be 3 upon 2 of itself. Amount is 100. Sorry, principal is 100, then amount is 3 upon 2 or 2 upon 3? 3 upon 2. 2 say 50 or 53 ja 150. Then amount is 150. So
Find the rate of interest.
है ना? So by easily we can find the value of the simple interest. Subtract from 150 to 100, we get 50 rupees. SI is 50, principal is 100, rate
Just find the rate of interest.
time
5 years.
upon 100. 0, 5 10 ja 50. Rate is 10%. Your answer is 10%. Those are watching this video first time, they will be subscribe of this channel. So we will oblige to you and we will heartily thankful who will subscribe this and share to other person. And they will watch the complete video of mathematics, the chapter simple interest. That is the first part. That is the first part of simple interest in English. I hope you will like this. After that, you will see any fault or any sophisticated, then you will see, then you will write in your comment box. Then we will work of your queries. Rub this.
Yes, sir.
Next problem.
A sum of money was lent on simple interest.
A sum of money was lent on simple interest. Sum of money, let the sum of money be equal to rupees X. Right? Then
It became 5.4 of itself.
Amount will be X into 5 upon 4. Then it becomes 5x upon 4. Amount becomes 5x upon 4. Then simple interest. We can find the simple interest as I equal to amount minus principal. Amount value is given 5x upon 4. 5x upon 4 and principal is given x. First be LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. Now 5x minus 4x is equal to x upon 4. X upon 4 is the value of the simple interest, equal to P x into R. R into time is
3 years.
3 upon 100. Cut of x is this, and 4 say 25, then 25 upon 3%. We can write in the mixed number 25 upon 3, 3 8 is 24, 8 whole 1 upon 3%. The value of the rate, 8 whole 1 upon 3%. Have you copied all?
Yes, sir.
Rough. Next problem, 7th or 8th?
9.
9th?
Yes, sir.
9th.
Ramesh lent a sum of money to
Ramesh lent a sum of money. The value of money be equal to x rupees. Let a value of money be equal to rupees x. Okay? Then amount will become is equal to
6 upon 5.
6 upon 5, x into 6 upon 5, then 6x upon 5. We can find the value of the simple interest by using the value of amount minus principal, 6x minus 5 up minus x. LCM of 5 is and 1 is 5, 6x minus 5x, we get x upon 5. X upon 5 is the value of simple interest.
Yes, sir.
By using the formula SI equal to P into R
Rate and
and time
4 years.
upon 100. Cut, x is cut, 5 to the 10, 0, 4, 5 the 20. The value of rate is 5%. The value of rate is 5%. It is the demand of this question. Any question more or not?
So 1.
Next and last problem.
A man borrowed some money on him.
A man borrowed some money. You don't know what was the principle was given in this problem. Then let a principal be equal to rupees x. Amount become
11 upon 10.
11 upon 10 of किसकी?
This one.
money की. Then 11x upon 10. SI is equal to 11x upon 10 minus x. LCM of 10 is 1, 10 and 1 is 10, and 11x minus 10x, then x upon 10 is the value of the simple interest. X upon 10 is equal to value of principal is x into what is the requirements? What is the requirements of this problem? Rate, and time is given
2 years.
2 year upon 100. X cut is this 10, 100 or 2 5 the 10. Then rate is 5%. I think you can understood of this problem easily, and you will make a practice at your home. After that you can any problem create in your mind related with this chapter, then you will watch, then you will see, then you will write in your comment box. which person was looking there on online. And the motto of this channel is to grow the planting, sapling the plants on the birthday party, sapling the plants on birthday at every person which was watching in the world. Thank you.